If you have ever wanted to sculpt both beauty and monsters in Blender, this course is for you. I'm super excited to introduce you my brand new course, Beauty and the Beast. It's inspired by the artwork of the amazing artist Snore, but I decided to go beyond the original concept by adding environment elements and even an extra character. This course is designed for artists who want to take their sculpting skills to the next level. You will learn not just how to sculpt a beautiful stylized female character, but also monstrous creatures and detailed environment props. Here is what we will do together. Build the main female character from head to toe, body, hair, accessories, clothing and posing. Sculpt the villain, the beast, the wrinkles, pores and all the monster details that bring him to life and make him scary. Add environment elements like the platform, fabrics and even a third character to complete the scene. And finally, bring everything together with painting, shading, lighting and presentation. The course includes over 40 hours of real-time sculpting across 64 lessons, no time lapses, no skips. You will see the entire process, including mistakes and how I fix them, so it feels like you're sitting right next to me in the studio. Every lesson is fully narrated with clear explanations of not just what I do, but why I do it. You'll also get resources like textures, add-ons, and everything you need to follow along, all made with free and open source tools. By the end of this course, you will have a complete scene with characters, creatures, and environment ready for your portfolio. So, if you are ready to upgrade your sculpting skills and create something epic, check out the full course in my ArtStation store. The link is in the description.